Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best above-ground sprinkler system is probably one of the most efficient and convenient ways to keep your lawn and garden looking lush and vibrant, especially during those hot summer months when manual watering just doesn't cut it. These systems are designed to provide consistent and even coverage, ensuring that every plant receives the hydration it needs to thrive without the hassle of dragging hoses or setting up complex irrigation networks. Whether you're dealing with a sprawling backyard or a cozy garden space, an above-ground sprinkler system offers a customizable and effective solution for maintaining a beautiful outdoor environment with minimal effort. Number 5. Melnor 65191 AMZ Adjustable Spike Set Sprinkler Bundle. Introducing the Melnor Adjustable Spike Set Sprinkler Bundle. This set offers unparalleled control over your watering, ensuring every plant receives the hydration it deserves. Easily adjust the angle, direction, and range of each sprinkler. With 3 fully adjustable units, you can direct water precisely where it's needed most. The bundle includes 2 15-foot durable hoses, giving you the flexibility to place your sprinklers exactly where your garden requires them. Enjoy gentle watering that covers up to 1,800 square feet. It's perfect for maintaining the health of your lawn, vibrant flower beds, or bountiful vegetable gardens. This product is backed by a Melnor limited 2-year warranty. We are committed to providing you with reliable and high-quality gardening solutions. What we like. This system offers incredible adjustability for precise watering. You can tailor the spray to hit every corner of your garden. If you have a uniquely shaped yard or specific planting areas that need targeted watering, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The sprinkler head is adjustable and can spray water in a full circle or a half circle. It covers a large area, approximately 30 feet in diameter. The system is easy to set up and requires no tools. Number 4. Rainbird 32 ETI DIY Automatic Sprinkler System Kit. Tired of watering your lawn manually? This automatic sprinkler system takes care of it for you all season long. Enjoy a perfectly watered lawn without lifting a finger. Say goodbye to the constant struggle of moving hoses and adjusting sprinklers. This system eliminates that hassle, giving you more free time. Get your new sprinkler system up and running in just one afternoon. It easily attaches to your outside faucet, making installation a breeze for anyone. When not in use, the sprinklers retract neatly into your lawn. This provides a clean, uncluttered appearance and makes mowing your grass simple. This system is designed to cover medium-sized lawns. From 1,000 to 3,000 square foot it works efficiently with average residential water pressure. What we like. Enjoy a perfectly watered lawn all season without lifting a finger. This system automates your watering schedule, saving you time and effort. If you're tired of the constant hassle of moving sprinklers and want a truly hands-off watering solution for your medium-sized lawn, this is the one to get. What people say. Laying down the hose and setting up the sprinkler heads was about as easy as one could hope. You just run the hose to the sprinkler spots and cut it, using the appropriate included connectors to attach everything firmly. It requires some strength, but can be done by hand without any special tools. Attaching the system to a faucet using the included timer or any other timer is also simple. Once it's connected tightly, you can program the system to run on a variety of schedules, up to 4x a day. Once everything was connected and running, we adjusted the sprinkler throw, distance and rotation to account for our landscape. This too is very easy, although one minor, quality of life, complaint would be that there is no visual indication on the sprinkler heads to show the current rotation in degrees. Number 3. Eden 98063 Flex Design Above Ground Irrigation Sprinkler System. Tired of awkward watering spots? Our innovative system lets you place sprinklers precisely where your garden needs them most. It's perfect for lawns, flower beds, and raised gardens alike. Take full control of your watering. You can easily adjust the spray angle from 5 to 360 degrees, direction, and water flow without ever needing to move the spikes. Don't let large areas stress you out. Each sprinkler covers up to 840 square feet, and the combined system can reach up to 1,650 square feet depending on how you set it up. Get everything you need right out of the box. This set includes adjustable sprinklers, riser extensions, a hose, and various connectors for a hassle-free setup. Tall plants or dense vegetation are no longer a problem. Use the included riser extensions to easily spray water over even your tallest plants. Built to last, this system is constructed from high-quality, impact-resistant plastic. It's designed to withstand the elements for long-lasting performance in your garden. We stand by our product's quality. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year limited warranty included with your purchase. What we like. Experience unparalleled flexibility with sprinklers that go exactly where you need them. The adjustable heads and riser extensions allow for custom watering heights and patterns. If you have a diverse garden with tall plants or intricate flower beds, this system provides the ultimate control and coverage. What people say. The flowers are good quality and set up so easy. This is completely customizable and works great. The multi-adjustable flex design is a standout feature, allowing me to tailor the watering pattern to fit the unique layout of my garden. Number 2. QSK 742 In-Ground Pop-Up Sprinkler 2-Pack. Introducing the QSK 742, a powerful yet compact sprinkler system that discreetly hides in your lawn. It offers the look and performance of a professional installation. These sprinklers automatically pop up when the water is on and retract when it's off. This smart design allows you to mow right over them without worry. Connect your hose from any direction with the quick connectors and water up to 5,000 square feet per unit. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes. Easily set the desired spray pattern to suit your lawn's needs. Once set, you can simply forget about it, enjoying perfectly watered grass. This convenient 2-pack includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive 2 sprinklers, quick hose connectors, and a Y-splitter for your garden hose. What we like. Get the look of a professional in-ground system with easy DIY installation. These sprinklers disappear into your lawn when not in use, allowing for unobstructed mowing. If you desire a clean, uncluttered yard and want the convenience of sprinklers that are there when you need them and invisible when you don't, this 2-pack is an excellent option. What people say. Powerful and great coverage. Easy setup. We'll definitely get more. This is the next best thing to an in-ground sprinkler system. I put the sprinklers close to my landscaping and then ran a flat black hose in my mulch to leave there. I just unplug it to mow and then hook it back up when I'm done. It's always set just how I need it each time with no fumbling around to not water my neighbor's yard too. Number 1. QSK 745 5-inch Pop-Up Sprinkler 5-Pack. Introducing the QSK 745 In-Ground Sprinkler 5-Pack. These powerful, compact sprinklers hide discreetly in your lawn, offering the look and performance of a professional installation. With water pressure, they pop up to water your lawn. When the water is off, they automatically retract, allowing you to mow right over them without any hassle. Connect your hose from any direction with the quick connectors. Each unit can water an impressive area of up to 5,000 square feet. Installation is a breeze and takes only minutes. Simply set your desired spray pattern and enjoy effortless watering. This comprehensive 5-pack includes sprinklers, hose connectors, Y-splitters, an air purge, a manual connector, orange caps, and a nozzle set for immediate use. What we like. This pack offers the ultimate convenience for large areas, providing the aesthetic of an in-ground system with effortless setup. They retract seamlessly, allowing you to mow without interruption. If you have a substantial lawn and want to cover a vast area efficiently while maintaining a pristine appearance, this 5-pack is your best bet. What people say. The sprinklers all turn on for preset times starting at around 4 a.m. and 2 to 3 run per day, depending on the lawn's need. The company offers excellent customer service. When one of my sprinklers stopped oscillating, I called the customer service number and spoke to an extremely pleasant gentleman who explained how I could remove the faulty unit and promptly mailed a replacement one, which I just had to screw into place. No digging required. This is definitely a cost-effective alternative to an underground sprinkler system. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.